Board of dull homes, we have a VIP special for you. Welcome to 530 Kleinburg Summit Way in Vaughan. This is a 4-bedroom, 5-washroom with a 1-bedroom legal basement. Let's go inside and enjoy the tour. As you enter the house, you have your huge foyer area which is tiled throughout to your living space. This space comes with a powder room, coat closet and also access your basement. You won't miss India in this property because you have a huge area for the dining. When you have your family functions happening, you won't be short of a gathering space. You can do all your parties, family gathering in this space. It comes with the 2 big windows and this can also be used as a living area. You don't have to spend a single penny into this kitchen. This home comes with upgraded appliances. You have sub-zero fridge, you have your wall of appliances, tall cabinetry till the top, and the best is this comes with a huge oil island, walk-in pantry, and also just to mention the small things like pot filler, valance light, black fixtures, even modern, giving it a modern look, 12 by 24 tile. Just move in and start cooking your favorite food. This is your official second dining space. It looks outside from this sliding door with a huge deck looking on the back side. There is no house on the back side. It is all green space. Wow is the word that comes into my mind when I enter the family space. It comes with a huge window with waffle ceiling, already taken as an upgrade. You have your double fireplace looking into your family space and plus into your living area. Comes with a already fully configured TV space and it provides a lot of separation from your official living space. Now we are on the second floor of the house. It is a carpet-free house. You have a hardwood on the second floor. On the entry, you have your official loft that can be used in office space. Current owners are using it as a mandir. I am impressed with the walkway. It's approximately 4 feet. So you have 4 bedrooms and 3 full washrooms on the second floor. You might think this is your master bedroom. Actually, this is your primary bedroom or a master bedroom. It comes with a walk-in closet which is done custom cabinetry with a huge island. If you see the washroom, it is fully upgraded. Now we are in the best part of this house, a legal rentable basement apartment done by the builder. It comes with a bar space. Yes, it's a party area or a man cave. Comes with a movie home theater system, 1 full washroom. It's a 1 bedroom plus a office space. So this can be used as a rental opportunity for you or for as a granny space or for a party area. Still thinking? This house can be your next VIP home. Call karo and we will help you.